Grand Rapids has issued a special marine warning for near shore and open waters from South Haven to Grand Haven, Michigan, until 1:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a line of strong thunderstorms extending from near the Muskegon Light to 35 nautical miles west of the Holland Light, moving southeast at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, dangerous conditions above deck. Locations impacted include the Saugatuck Fireheads, the Grand Haven Light, the Holland Light, and Port Sheldon. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass.
Flowers? Are you seeing flowers?
Yeah.
Are they pretty?
There's a sprayer on.
Yeah.
Skunk cloud. Skunk cloud. There's some skunk clouds over there. Alright, over there. Skunk clouds right over there. Where's my bingo?
You threw it. You threw it and laid it right in the cup holder, you goofy girl.
No one did it.
You gonna take it?
Something's coming down on the front.
Yes. It's gonna be raining super hard in a minute, Donnie.
Yeah, good thing I'm getting it on video. I'm literally posting this on YouTube because of how crazy this storm is.
Well, I'm glad that it's getting my flowers. Now the wind is picking up.
Oh boy. Oh, I just saw some leaves in the air flying. That's never good. That means rotation. Oh my word, look at all the leaves in the sky. That's not good. We could get some power outages here. Oh my word, this storm is crazy. Storm of the summer 2016. That's what I'm going to call it. Look how crazy this is.
Well, I thank the Lord he's watering my flowers for me. Boy, did they need it.
Yeah, thank the Lord for maybe a power outage.
No, I don't want a power outage. My air won't work.
That's why you have pieces of paper.
To make into fans?
Yes.
I just couldn't have my air keep working.
Oh!
Harder back here.
Lightning, lightning, lightning. What?
It rained harder back here by the lake.
Lake effect rain. Ha 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 ha. Oh wow, wow, wow. We might get a.
Oh, there was lightning.
Yep. I think I just caught that. Look at all the rain on the road. We might get. Oh my! Look at those! Look at those! They're flapping in the wind. Yet the farm, is that even a farmer's market? I don't even know. That's the farm.
It's gonna be the beer and brat then.
Well, that ain't gonna work out so well. They literally have a spotlight over there. Look at all this rain. You can't even see down the tracks. Oh, my camera can actually see further than my eyes. Oh my. Oh, lightning! How's my radio going? Not good. It's actually sideways. Nice purple lights, BMW.
Can have Donnie unbuckle her before you get to her.
Their shade tent's knocked over. Oh my word. Oh my word. Our stuff is blowing over. Don't open the garage. That's gonna make it worse because it's blowing in that way. Okay. Okay.
Donnie, unbuckle your sister.
Okay, she's unbuckled. Okay, you gotta grab the left. Oh, I gotta grab a lot of stuff.
Hey, I want the food, you to hand it to me.
What?
Hand me that food.
Can you carry the laptop?
No, I can't.
You're closest to the...
Donnie, I've got stuff to carry.
Okay, here's food. I'll use this blue bag. Yeah, I'll put the laptop in this bag. I'll put all my
Grandpa,
stuff...
hey, wait. Grandpa's moving stuff out of the way so he can pull in the garage a little bit so we don't get wet.
You're good. This storm is crazy. I gotta monitor the weather alerts.
Eastern Daylight Time. Doppler radar was tracking a cluster of thunderstorms over Van Buren County and northwest Kalamazoo County, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Wind gusts at least 40 miles per hour with some downtree winds will be possible with these storms. Locations impacted include Kalamazoo, Portage, Paw Paw, Eastwood, Wood, Vicksburg, Hartford, Galesburg, Mydawon, Lawton, Bangor, Decatur, Schoolcraft, Climax, Richland, Greater Galesburg, South Lake, Comstock Northwest, Alamo, Pine Grove. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Lightning can strike 15 miles away from a thunderstorm. Seek a safe shelter inside a building or vehicle. At 1:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking strong thunderstorms along a line extending from 8 miles east of Edmore.
Okay, I'm gonna come back to you guys.
There we go.
I'm gonna come back inside when I have a charger. Or I can just run inside right now. But no, I'm gonna come back when I have a charger. See ya.
Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Elkhart County in Indiana, northern Lagrange County in Indiana, southwestern St. Joseph County in Michigan, southeastern Cass County in Michigan, until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Constantine to Elkhart, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Elkhart, Goshen, Sturgis, Lagrange, Dunlap, Simonton Lake, Middlebury, Constantine, Bristol, White Kitchen, Taylorsburg, New Paris, Benton.
Didn't know about that one, probably because I didn't have Northern Indiana.
And Brighton. This includes Interstate 80 in Indiana between mile markers 91 and 128. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The following information concerns the heat advisory for